Hello friends, this is Stimulating Science. Today in the lesson Plant Kingdom we are going to see about algae. Okay, in this video we are going to see the general characters of algae. The first one, let's discuss about the habitat. Habitat of algae is aquatic, that is it may be marine or freshwater, and it lives in cool, damp and moist places. Second one is the body organization. Unicellular algae example, Chlamydomonas. The structure of Chlamydomonas is like this. With a nucleus and two flagella. Okay, it's unicellular algae. Okay. The second thing is colonial algae. Example is volvox. So it would be like this. There would be a football-like structure. Organisms would be connected here, and this would be the parent chain. What it is they are colonial, right? So for colonial algae the example is volvox. And the third thing is filamentous algae. Filamentous algae example are Spirogyra and Ulothrix. It's like this. And of course they are like filaments, right? So filamentous algae are Spirogyra and Ulothrix. The fourth one is massive bodies. So example for massive bodies is kelps. Simply, kelps can grow up to 100 meters high, and they're found in deep oceans. Okay. And the third general character we are going to discuss is ploidy. They generally have planted, but they are exceptions which are very important. The exceptions are Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia and also Fucus. So why are the exceptions? We will study under the life cycle. Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia are haplodiploidic, whereas Fucus is diploidic. So why they are so, we are going to study in the life cycle. And they are non-embryonic. Their sex organs are non-jacketed. They are avascular and atracheophytes. That means there's no conducting system. And the gametophyte is dominant. So what is gametophyte? That which produces gamete is called the gametophyte. And another term which gets repeated in this lesson is the sporophyte. Since it's gametophyte, it's gamete producing, and the sporophyte means it's spore producing. So let's see the life cycle of algae and justify that it's haplontic. So here's our gametophyte. Which is haploid. This must be remembered that gametophyte is haploid, but the sporophyte is diploid. So through mitosis, it produces gametes as it is a gametophyte. And when these gametes fuse together, okay, they form, or by syngamy, they form the zygote. Usually when gametes fuse, they will give rise to zygote, right? Usually in the haplodiplontic life cycles or diplontic life cycles, the zygote will undergo mitosis because this is 2n, right? Gametes are n, and when two gametes fuse, it will become 2n, and usually the zygote in haplodiplontic and diplontic life cycle will undergo mitosis and thereby gives rise to a sporophyte. And this sporophyte divides by meiosis and gives 4 haploid spores which germinate again into a gametophyte. So this zygote here, there's no formation of sporophyte. Okay, this zygote undergoes directly meiosis. Okay, so by undergoing meiosis, it gives rise to spores again. So there's no formation of sporophytes here. So when 2n undergoes meiosis, it gives rise to n, right? 4n spores, and these spores again germinate to form the gametophyte. Germination. Okay, so this is the life cycle. So let's see whether it's haplontic or diplontic. So how many haplontic or let's see the portion of the circle where diplontic is there. Okay, so you'll come to conclusion that this alone is diplontic, right? Only here there's 2n, and the rest all these portions are all haplontic, right? Yes, this is alone 2n, this is n, this is n, and this is also n. So if you want to see which is dominant, which whether haplontic or diplontic, of course you are going to go to the option that this life cycle shows haplontic life cycle, right? Because there are more n compared to 2n. So these are haplontic, and this is going to be diplontic. Only this region is diplontic. This region is alone diplontic. So algae usually exhibit haplontic life cycle, and the exceptions are again important. I'm going to repeat it again. Exceptions are Ectocarpus, Polysiphonia, and Fucus. Thank you, friends.